Ba't nandun si Idris?
Ewan ko.
Kaya siguro putang ina nakipag-scream sa atin. Wala palang mount dito.
Hindi naman siya caller, hindi naman siya caller. Everyone food up, everyone food up. Okay. Oh my god.
Paki-mark na sila, sila Nike.
Mark me.
Nakanino
Guys,
party leader. Oh, yung party yung crown. Ayun.
Wait, yaw. Come down. Everyone just
Sino pa yung
come here. Ako. Ready mo na ng shield si Chizo. Ready mo na ng shield para hindi na pa-mark pa. Just follow me. Just follow.
Cardo.
Guys.
May taga, yung dalawa natin.
Come back. Don't go back to the base, okay? Walk up. Just ready. I'm going to fake now. Oh my god. I lag. Come back a bit. They're looking. Defensive now. Guys, counter me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. On my front. Drop on me. Come back. Don't roll. Come back. Don't roll. Come back. Don't roll. Come back. Ready your next defensive. Just ready your next defense. Good. Come back. Defensive. Guys. On my front now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, na silence off. Chill. Come back. Kissing doubles inside of our tank. Don't roll on the front. Heal up, guys. Heal up. Comes out. Everyone comes out. Defensive. Good job. Comes out more. South. You're too low. You're taking too long. Come follow me. Guys, look north. Northeast na in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my front now. Okay, back now. Defensive. Just ready defensive. Guys, ingat. Left tanks, hold the front now. Just ready defensive. Just defensive. Nag-random easy sila. It's fine. Everyone walk up. Guys, sa crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Dito, nice. Okay, go back now. Back. Get ready. Come back. Ano yun?
Ano tayo mag-ano? Naka-Q1 ako.
Anong Q1?
Naka-Q.
Setting, we can reset. Reset your skills.
Yeah. We hold. We can hold. Oh, wag ka na mag-heal. Wait. Just stay put ka na lang dyan. Pass engage on me in 3, 2, 1. Pass engage on me. Ayun, nag-bedrock. Nakatak sa bedrock. Hold. Ready defensive. Defensive. Good job. Guys. Walk. Everyone walk. Kasi na sa loob. Guys. Look north. On the north. Wait, on the north is in 3, 2, 1. Itong nasa harapan ko. Bit nyo to. Yan. Come back ulit. Okay na yaw.
Okay na.
Okay, good job. Guys, this is the perma right now. Kidnap. Read the defensive. Guys, wake up. It's a perma caller. It's a perma caller. I-mark mo ngayon yung Hodge. Yung Hodge.
Hodge nila.
Come back. Guys, hold. Hold mo na. Come here.
Pag pumapak na Nike, pipasyon natin yung Hodge.
Oo nga. Kailangan ko lang na mark. Guys, ito sa Hodge na to in 3. Wait lang. 2. Wait lang. In one drop niya, drop now on the skull. Drop on the skull. Kill him. Come back east, 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 heal. Come back east, good job. Come back east, come back southeast, 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 come back southeast. Heal up, good job. Hold this choke, hold this choke, hold this choke. Hold this choke now, hold this choke. Hold this choke, hold this choke, hold this choke. Okay, walk up now, northwest. Walk up northwest, northwest now. West in 5, 4, 3, wait. Tagal ng ano, nated met. Come back muna. Cancel. Come back. Don't drop. Itong north, ito na sa north. Itong bedrock na sa north na to. In 3, 2, 1. Ito to. Okay, back southeast. Okay, back southeast. Defensive. We need defensive now. Defensive. Come southeast. Tagos kayo dito. Tagos now. Then defend that choke. Then defend that choke.
Ready DPS.
Come east more. Come east more. I don't need. Wait lang. Come east more. Turn west in 3, 2, 1. Itong bedrock. Drop on the bedrock. Just drop on the bedrock. Naka-demo niya, no? Come back more. Just ready defensive. Okay, help front. Come back more. Okay, hold. Behold. Left tank sa front. Heal yung front. Okay, guys.
Ready DPS.
Okay, wait. After this polymorph, okay. Deep west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep west. Come back east. They're looking. Come back east. They drop. Defensive. It's taking so long. Come back. Hold the choke. Hold niyan. Come north nga. Come north. Come north. Okay, come north. Sige, come north. Heal up. Come north. Heal up. Come north. Heal up. Come north. Heal up. Itong def tank to in 3, 2, 1. Itong def tank to sa harapan ko. Bagal. Okay, come northeast. Ready defensive. They're looking defensive now. Defensive. Help the front. Good. Keep going northeast. Take a peel. Okay.
5 seconds.
Take.
5 seconds DPS.
Sige. We're good. Wala tayong engage. Wait.
Heal yung tank.
5 seconds ready.
Faking ako. I'm faking. Okay, come back northeast muna. They're looking. Come back northeast. Guys. Headbutt now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt now on the ground. Drop east. Okay, push southwest. Spots. Spots. Okay, hold now. Heal up. Hold. Don't overextend. Hello, don't overextend. Hold. I'm here.
Back, guys. Back.
Guys, I told you, don't brawl.
Drop mana. Wala mana yung mother tank.
Yung fallen, drop droid cow. Behold. Okay, they're on the north. Pitasin nga to si Saily in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Itong root bound. Nakatakas. Okay, good fireball. Kill this guy. Okay, they're looking. Defensive. Good. That's good. Come back. Defensive, please.
Ready DPS.
Wala. Okay, ready. Okay, east shallow in 3, 2, 1. East shallow. Itong nasa crown. East shallow now. Drop sa crown. Come back. Heal Asher. Come back north. Defensive again. Heal. Case. Heal up. Come northwest.
Ready DPS.
Don't panic. Come northwest. Heal up first. Keep going. Come southwest. On the choke now in 5, 4, 3, 2. Ito sa mga def tank na sa harapan natin. Patayin nyo na to.
Looking.
Okay, southwest. South now. Hit the front, come south. South, heal. Oh my god. Is that allowed?
Akala ko bawal random is.
Di ba yun? Backdoor yun. Ano yun? Backline natin yun ah.
Oo, front
Ang
back.
front, ang front nila nasa east, di ba?
Badon.
Sige lang.
Come southwest. That's the host. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Bigyan nyo na to. Don't, hayaan nyo sila. Come southwest.
Oh, mine.
Ba't kayo
We're winning.
Come southwest. Guys, you're getting tilted for something na hindi naman importante. Come southwest. Help the front. Come southwest. Ready to turn northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. On me. Come back now. Come south now. Come south. We need heals. Defensive now. Defensive. We need defensive. Fix your pots. Come back south. Come south. Southeast. Sige, hold nyo na yan. Heal up. Don't catch that. Guys.
Ready DPS.
Hold. Wait, come southwest more.
Now.
Ready baka headbutt to ha. North now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Okay, come southeast. Yung paths, yung mga defensives yung looking na sila. Defensive. Okay, come southeast.
Oh, may backdoor, oh.
Southeast. Okay, southeast. Wag na kayo magalit dyan. Come southeast. You're getting tilted sa hindi naman importante.
Ready DPS na
Hold. It's manageable. Kayang-kaya nga bulin ng demon yan. Come south a bit. Kaya na to, over the wall, the north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Come south more. Southeast. Left the front. Defensive. Come east more. Help front.
Ready DPS.
Say, hold. Drop druid call, please. We need mana. They're looking. Position south. Okay, use your demons, heal up lang. Okay, north now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tong sarapan ko. Okay, tatagusin. Come northeast. Guys. Come northwest. Heal front. Come northwest. Heal Chizu. Come northwest. Magra-run number kayo dyan. Good. We're good. We're all good. Okay, come east a bit. Walk east.
Ana nga siya.
Ready DPS.
Wait. Come back na. Napoimor pa ko. Position here. Okay, guys. Dilo ka. Kitchen double yan. Come south more. Pilil. Come southeast more. I'm going to pick sa inside. Para mag-drop yung root bomb na to. Come east. Come west. Ito mga sa loob natin. 3, 2, ito sa loob. Drop E. Come north. Northwest. Labas tayo. Come northwest. North. Hill front. Defensive. Guys, ang tagal nyo mag-out. Come north. Hello. Ang tagal nyo mag-out. Come north. Use your call. Come north. Heal front. Dito sa machok na to. Ito sa chok na 3, 2, 1. Ito sa chok na to. Wala.
Alam na ako.
Okay, come northeast. Defensive.
I-reset na right.
Ba't umiikot sila?
Pwede naman
Reset
umikot eh.
Ilang beses tayong binabackdoor. Yung Badon naka-backdoor.
Oo. Naka sila, solo
Pre.
Madaya sila. Dami nilang solo bomb.
Oy, Knight! Asa ka na, Knight?
Come nga, reset. I'm here.
Reset! Bakit putang ina?
Asa west tayo, west.
Pina-chase kami!
Reset. Hello. Go.
Oh, nag-hit!
Just run. Just run. Just run, just run. We're regrouping, we're regrouping. I-hold niya yung Deftangs. Okay, we're good. We're good na. We're good. Just chill, please. Kung ayaw nila sumunod, i-report natin.
Badon.
Oo.
Ingat ha, Badon.
They're looking.
Ready DPS Knight.
Looking sila sa south.
Using W's kayo, sa inside.
Ready pass. Pass now, go southwest in 3, 2, 1, on me now. Delete nyo tong DPS nila. Come northeast. Defensive. Okay, come northeast, hold. Yan lang. Spread. I want everyone spread. Gumising kayo, may badon. Mag-adapt kayo.
Ready na DPS mo, Knight.
Come back. Yod na to.
Mana. Walang mana Deftangs. Drop mana.
May druid call tayo. They're looking. Defensive on front. Guys, southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Wala. Nahold kayo. Kiss the west yan, Tito. Kiss the west. Sa loob natin. May ba doon na? Oh, hold. Deftangs hold. They're looking again. Deftangs hold. Yun nyo to, Deftangs. They're looking. Defensive. Guys, southwest on the choke in 3, 2, 1. Sa choke. Drop on the choke. Good job. Drop on the choke. Okay, stabilize, please.
Hold mo na lang to, wag ka na humabol.
Hold na
Okay.
natin.
Wait lang. Hold. Wait lang ah.
Yung mana, i-drop niya sa
Hold.
tank.
Wait. Nasaan sila?
Lagi yung mana.
Always drop
Didikit
the
niya sa amin.
Guys, they're looking.
Hindi kami
They're looking. We counter ah. We play counter lang.
Ready
Hold on.
your Giga, counter.
Just ready the Giga. Just ready your Giga. Ready to soak ah. Everyone walk. Defensive. I need this. Defensive. Counter me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter on me. Delete nyo to. Nice. Come northeast. Back na ulit. We can't brawl. Bawal mag-brawl. Kung sila hindi sumusunod, kaya naman natin sumunod. Tapos mananalo, di ba?
Minus naman yan eh.
Oo, may deduction yan.
Mga bobo!
All. Okay, walk. Everyone walk. Again, wait lang.
Ready your Giga.
Just ready, mga mga defensive supports. Bedrocks.
Kiting sila.
Let's
Okay,
take up again.
hold. Don't push. Hold. Kay tabit. Deftangs to the front. Come northeast. We play counter again. Be ready on the badon ah. Di pa rin wala yun. Kaya spread.
Using W's yung mga Deftangs sa loob nyo ha.
Spread. Kaya come east. Position east. They're looking. Guys, kita na tong sa south. Wait lang. Never mind. Come east more. Okay guys, on the northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Sa crown. Drop on the crown. Nice. Okay, come southeast. Wala silang DPS. Come southeast. Position. South. Defensive. Good job. Come southeast. Come southwest. Position on the south. We're on the... Guys, don't push. Yeah, sit now. Everyone woke up. Okay, on the choke now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Nice.
One.